Today I am going to show you how to draw a face. Right, we're going to start off with a couple of lines. I've made them 16 centimeters apart. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find roughly the halfway down and make a very light guideline. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use sort of slightly heavier marks on the paper than you would, so that you can, although that is quite it's not particularly light there, but use very light marks so that when you do come to do it you can easily rub out stuff if you need to. I'm now marking halfway down and I'm going to make a very light guideline across the page as well. These are basically guidelines so that you will know where particular features go on the face. Then we're going to do about halfway down again. Just mark it there and there. Another light line across. These will all become apparent at some point. Now about a centimetre below that line, another guideline. And the same again at the top, about a centimetre and a half from the top. Another rough guideline. That will be the hairline, believe it or not. Okay, we're going to start off at the top. There we go. So just sort of start, it's going to be sort of like almost a half circle down to the halfway, and then just start bringing it in a little bit. You'll see, there we go, and bring it round the other side. As you can see, it's sort of almost like a half circle at the top, and then just sort of bring it in to make that chin shape. Now this is obviously very rough. Everybody's got different shaped faces, but we're just going to use this as a guideline today just to go through. Now there it is, there's that line at the top. That's going to be the hairline, just roughly, so you just get an idea. Obviously we're just going to do the very basics today. Now the halfway mark, this is where the eyes go. You wouldn't normally think your eyes are halfway down your face, but that's kind of roughly where they are. Now there's a gap about the size of an eye in between the two eyes. I mean, this is, again, it's all very rough guidelines, so everyone's different. Some people have eyes closer together than other people, and obviously the size of the eyes. Now the next line down, the one that's 3/4 of the way down the page, that is your nose, roughly where the nose goes. The line underneath there, the mouth. The mouth is a lot closer to the nose than normally people imagine when they're drawing a face. Now as you can see, we've got roughly, that's very much the makings of a face. The ears are in line more or less with the eyes. You know, again, this is all a very basic model. The neck there, roughly, if you sort of go below the eyes, that's roughly, and you can add a few details. There's the eyebrows. There we are, so just putting the eyes there, and it's as simple as that. So using those very basic guidelines, you get an idea, and the more you practice, the less you'll need those guidelines. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and here is the finished product. Bye.